Hi, I'm Helena known as Camera Girl Helena. And right now I'm creating a really special tutorial. I'd say this is a crossover between two cool brands, Atomos and Nanlink. I want to show you an interesting way of lighting live music video and shoot it with help of Atomos tools. As you may know, I used to make creative videos for different filmmaking equipment brands for social media. I had the chance to shoot one of them with Atomos Ninja V+.
Let's do this! Are you sure? Yeah.
I was impressed by the result, that's why I decided to work on a live music video with it. Moreover, I have a new great accessory, Atomos Connect. Of course, I will tell you about it more detailedly, but right now I want to prepare everything for our shooting and especially lighting setup. I started my independent video making way with creating music videos, rock music videos mostly. First ones I literally lit up with hand-making lighting equipment. It was a great experience, but we have a lot of professional stuff here, so let's improve our level and work on the lighting scheme. I placed Nanlink Forza 60B Mark II from the right side to light up a bass player. Forza 100B I put from the left as a control light for guitar player and key light for drummer at the same time. For power tubes 215C I placed on the floor behind the musicians and turned on flash effect to give more dynamic to the shots. Next step is Forza 60B as a key light from the right to the guy singer. And the last is Forza 720B with softbox and egg crate grid from the right to light up the girl singer. I used black flag for do not illuminate the column too much. To achieve this rainbow effect on 80s style, I used Creative Cinema filter by Cinepex. As you can see, my shooting equipment were Panasonic Lumix S5 as a camera and Atomos Ninja V+ as an external recorder for the best quality of my shots. Atomos Ninja V+ works as a great quality 5-inch monitor and has a lot of useful functions: histogram, waveform, vectorscope, pulse color, focus peaking, and others. As a recorder, Atomos receives the raw materials from camcorder, convert them to the actual ProRes and RAW format, and record to the SSD hard drive. Also, with the new Atomos Connect extension, I can use Ninja V+ not only as a recording monitor, but as an internet streaming device. You can connect Atomos Ninja to the internet with hotspot or Ethernet cable. Then upload your proxy files to the cloud storage on Frame.io. They will have the same name with the full resolution files and can be instantly replaced anytime you need. It makes your post-production process much faster and comfortable, especially when you work with another person as an editor and need quick result. With help of Atomos Connect device, you are able to go live to YouTube, for example, through Atomos Cloud. In our case, with the live show of the band, I think this is a really great feature. Okay, I think it's time to check our final result.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Steel walks rarely down the streets with green bull red all low. Ain't no sound but the sound of his feet. Machine guns ready to go.
Under all attention, you know you can never do no to me. I wouldn't wanna, baby. I wanna sit at home. It's not a very long, but when you said hello, I didn't wanna hear you. You should have stayed at home. It's not a let it go. Am I falling in love? That's your one that could break my heart.
I hope this video was informative and useful for you. Thanks for watching. My name is Helena. That's all, and till next time.